All right.
Can I have that red cap?
Drake Boer. First crawl in action.
Red cap.
Come here, buddy.
Thank you.
You get your sit on? Okay.
Is there a cap for the
Drake. Come here. Show off your stuff. Come here.
Do you have a cap for the brown?
There he goes. Nice job, Buster. There he is. All right, buddy. Nice job. Nice job. There he is. Hi. What's he doing? What are you doing? You getting your crawl on? Yeah, you are. Nice job. Say bye-bye.